嘅同學咧，可能未必個個咧都有經驗咧，就去處理即係學生會啦。咁但係每個人咧都有第一次，咁同埋咧都希望同學咧俾機會佢哋咧咁俾機會佢哋成長啦。咁同埋我相信佢哋都會落力咧為大家去服務。咁希望大家都支持佢哋啦，好唔好？
各位親愛嘅同學，我係少年領袖團嘅代表啊！我強烈推介大家投候選學生會內閣 MIRROR 一票。請大家欣賞佢哋嘅熱誠同埋為學生服務嘅熱心，多多支持投呢個學生候選內閣 MIRROR 一票，多謝。
請支持MIRROR 學生會內閣。
I'm going to support MIRROR. It's your turn. Come on.
請支持候選內閣 MIRROR。
請支持 MIRROR. Support MIRROR, boys and girls.
請支持呢個學生會 MIRROR。
請投 MIRROR 一票。
Okay, please support this group. Support them. Support the student union. MIRROR. Yes.
各位同學，你哋投票咗未？嗱，未咧，而家一個好嘅選擇啦，就係請投呢個咧係 MIRROR 一票。多謝。
請投鏡子一票。
Having a mirror is always good to you, so I think it's really good for you to have a mirror at our school. So give them a chance, and that you can have a good life at Honda. Please support them.
請支持候選內閣 MIRROR。
請支持學生會 MIRROR。請支持 MIRROR。
請支持 MIRROR。
哇！張 poster 咁靚嘅，梗係要支持 MIRROR 啦！